So today, by the way, the list is pretty full. We kind of managed to have two separate tracks, if you like, two separate things. So there's one block with German only and one block with English only, almost. So if you take a look at the schedule in the wiki, you can see what's going to happen. And as soon as I'm online, I also know what's going to happen. So, yeah, we want to maybe rearrange this just a little because we got a few requests to move some up front. Yes, we would like you to join us on the IRC channel. So that's on Freenode, and the channel name is #26C3LT for Lightning Talks, LT for Lightning Talks. So we want you to give us some feedback, even on the small mishaps. And if you have, anything about the talks themselves, you can find some links online. Please post them to the channel. We'll take a look at it later, and we hope to document it even better with your help. That would be nice. Yes, this day is pretty full. The next 2 days only have a few talks already. But if everything goes quite okay, then we should have at least 20 talks each day. So there's free space for more talks. We want your talks. So please send us an email to 26c3@lightningtalks.de. Again, 26c3@lightningtalks.de. Please send us your slides, your requests, or simply just an abstract, so we can add this and update the schedule. We were running a little late with the schedule. We just updated this morning at 5 a.m., but we hope to do this even on shorter this afternoon or maybe this evening. So please send your requests. Or if you have an idea about contact this guy, he should come up stage, please send us that too. Okay, finish. Ich hab's auf die Daten nicht. Also ich kann nicht rearrangen. Ich könnte jetzt sozusagen das mal abtippen, aber dazu ist wir können es per Stick machen, falls du online bist, dass wir das kurz runterziehen und dann. Ja, okay. Stick hatte ich gerade? Achso, er hat einen Stick an der Seite. Okay. Oh yes, just a reminder for the speakers, please come up to front row. I see a few speakers there already. But if you are a speaker and you sit there, please come up front. What we will do is we will give you a headset, and we want to know who's there. So if there's any speakers in the audience still up there, please come to first row. Okay? Okay. So we have the first speaker here. Let's change this. Whoops.
Good morning.
Ja, du kriegst ein Headset? Ja.
Hab ich schon.
Hast du schon? Funktioniert's auch?
Das weiß ich nicht.
Alright. So.
Okay.
Wow. Audio, audio, audio. Audio, audio angel. Hello, audio angel. Hey. Okay, turn this down. Turn him up, please. Thanks.
So sending you an means that I have the slides, I think. Yeah. So yeah, and the information you gave me, I cannot process now because everybody's so just reply that email that information is missing if it's wrong. If everything is
So? Ganz aus, oder? So, jetzt hört ihr mich auch. Also, Rückkopplung. Okay, guten Morgen, mein Name ist Daniel. Ich werde über Hack the Government reden, ein Open Data Hack Day zu Open Government, Open Data and Transparency. Der wird stattfinden am 17. und 18. April hier in Berlin. Warum machen wir einen Open Data Hack Day überhaupt? Naja, es gibt total viele Daten. Oh, sorry, I should speak in English. Sorry. This data is produced for public purposes. It's actually financed with our taxes. Digitalization makes access and distribution so easy, so there's no reason for any limitation on access, use, remix, and distribution. One word about open data and democracy. Obviously, access to information is a civil right. Informed decisions are only possible with access to data and information. And finally, responsible citizens are good for our democracy. There's a threefold benefit with access to that data. First is on an individual decision making. The second is the potential for innovations and economy. And the third is finally government, public sector administration, and social changes become more transparent. The way we organize information is rapidly changing. Websites become platforms, transparency invokes interactivity, consumers become people who make stuff, and there's more data in the world than ever. Think about the state as a service machine. We put taxes in, and we get things out like infrastructure and services and data. But most government websites suck. There are 3 laws of open government data. Sometimes officials from administrations tell me, yeah, but, well, we publish some data on our website. You can download a PDF. We have to say that's not enough. Open government data, if it can't be spidered or indexed, it doesn't exist. If it is not available in open machine-readable format, it can't engage. And if a legal framework doesn't allow it to be repurposed, it doesn't empower. Remember, it's our data that we are talking about. We pay taxes for it. About the event, Hack the Government, it's a hack day, I said it already. So if you're in Berlin or you want to travel here, please welcome, save the date. What we're going to do, we'll use government and public sector data to build apps and prototypes that help us to make government more transparent and open, empower citizens, invoke participation and collaboration. Why? Well, fun. Governments produce a lot of data, said it already, but that data often is not publicly available and open. That concerns access, licenses, and formats. What we're going to do, we're going to spend 2 days of time. We will scrape some data and mix it with creative people, hopefully you, to actually make that data available and accessible, build apps and prototypes, and show what can be done with government and public service data. Save the date. Check out the website. It's opendata.hackday.net. Or follow us on Twitter on OpenDataHack. I'd like to state Tim O'Reilly here. So if you think government and its data should be open, it's up to our community to respond with our ideas, with our voices, with our creativity, and with our code. Get involved, participate in the event, create and share, and finally DIY. So if you're living in another city or even in another country and you want to do something similar, like an open government hack day or a hack day on open government data, just do it and make sure you get in touch with us because we would like to get this as a European movement. Thank you. There's some interest.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay, thanks. The next talk is MyFair Classic Universal Toolkit, or MFAC. It's a free implementation of the MyFair Classic dark side attack. And